Testing. 1, 2, mic check. Hey yo, you know this is your homeboy Mtimbani, aka Screensaver Shalimpopo, Mwana Mzulu Namchanganda, One Ban Peter Ghost, represent PHB, and it's just like that. So you're about to witness history.
Yeah. Now no teka nkarhi lowu khensa munhu un'wana na un'wana la nga hoxa xiyandla vuton'wini bya mina hinkwavo lava nga tlanga role ya important lava nga ni pfuna ka swiyimo swin'wana swo ka ni nga ta hindza ni ri one munhu hi munhu hi vanhu Mtimbani na I'm about to swallow my pride. Shout out to your B, cause malembe ndzhaku there's something you did for me. PHB boys, the time near party a crew. Forever recording the track of you. Just like it's over, your foundation utlange role leikulu but sweswi kuna partition separate beef. Still antivi ku why, and I twitisa ku ri ta sondana until we die. Leyi diary ya me, when I look at the book I think about tabs. How unfuna the hook, ni composer umastara to create the beat. Na quality I ripuwa but the chucha the hit. In the mavito nga ri na manager I try kuma fame. I nga tlangiwi ka radio but we were best in the game. Ku wina award ungari kona it's a suicide. Cause I need deserve in everyone, it's for you and I. Ku benkari ni star kamedi came to me with the opportunity, gave me a chance to sing. On a lumber computer loko I pumunda dust. Mbili ya me yi be open ku develop a trust. Together I create a brain force production. Even though I understand like temporary construction. So your beat ups a boy metrishia divan. Mena cancer cause mono imonu hivanu. Honestly, binta mi kensa njaki. Mwami party a story shop to mi jame. Mi tange roll so I appreciate that. So na Steve kuri mono imonu hivanu. And for sure, binta mi chela hini. When I pray inta mi hlaya tashkwembusha me. Lemga ni puna ko anga ta hindza ni ri one. So na Steve kuri mono imonu hivanu.